Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We would be honored if you would join us. This episode, Chappy's going to make potato skins. Better than that cantina bar where all those weird creatures hung out. Or as I like to call it, any bar in Red Deer, Alberta. Also, we have best tropical destination stories from Yoda. This is the Baby Yoda versus Old Yoda episode. Also, Chappy's going to make a Port-au-Prince from Don the Beachcomer and a beach cruiser cocktail. So, come join us, you rebel scum.
Aloha, and thanks for joining us at Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is my bar. With me as always is Mookie. We got a very exciting show. I'm going to make a beach cruiser. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to do some really good potato skins. But first up, we have an interview with Old Yoda. Old Yoda is going to provide us with best tropical destination stories this week. Now, if you have any good tropical destination stories that you'd like me to read on my show, just send them to chappiness@yahoo.com. So actually, Old Yoda is standing by on his home planet at Dagobah. So we're going to go there via satellite. Hello, Old Yoda. How are you doing?
Yoda not so good. Not he is.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Now, it's my understanding that you have a good tropical destination story. I heard you went to the planet of Tatooine. It's very sunny and sandy there. So is that a good place to go for holiday?
Yoda no do so good. Yoda think Tatooine is terrible, terrible place. Yoda had to go to Tatooine because Yoda's in-laws live there. Nothing but sand people there. Assholes they are.
I hear they frighten easily, but they come back in larger numbers.
Yes, that would accurately describe my brother-in-laws. Yoda caught a break though, he did. We had a flight cancelled due to Demikpan, we did. Only Air Canada would not give Yoda his money back. Now Yoda has stupid airline credit that he can't use. Yoda tried to call Air Canada, see if he could use airline credit for flight to Mexico. Now Yoda has to pay triple. Yoda has to pay for all seats around him just to fly. Yoda really liked Mexico. Only last time Yoda went to Mexico, Yoda got Montezuma's revenge and shit blood for a week. Yoda feel very disrespected by Air Canada. Yoda hope Air Canada does not get government bailout. Hee hee.
You said you weren't doing too well. Is everything okay over there?
Yoda not doing so well. Yoda trouble finding work.
Now, is that because Frank Oz is dead?
No, because Baby Yoda get all the work. Yoda had to get Canadian emergency relief benefits. Then Yoda's CERB ran out. Yoda need to transition from CERB to EI. Yoda have to qualify under new parameters. If Yoda don't get that sweet pogey money, Yoda have to find job as Walmart greeter. Only Yoda 900 years old. If Yoda get Vidco, Yoda's Yoda find Canadian government lack of transparency very disappointing. Like disturbance in the force. But Yoda might try other avenues of cash stream. Yoda have pending lawsuit against Pat Morita. Yoda gonna sue Mr. Miyagi. Yoda suing for intellectual property rights. Mr. Miyagi's training technique of wash on, wash off. Yoda had Luke cleaning X-Wing fighter years before Karate Kid. Yoda think Ralph Macchio's a puss. But Yoda don't blame Vidco or Namek Pan for problems. It's that son of a bitch, Baby Yoda. He's taking all the work. Just like the commercial lobster fishermen in Nova Scotia trying to prevent indigenous people, to prevent them from earning a moderate income. Even though, due to a Supreme Court of Canada ruling in 1999, they're allowed to do so.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, old Yoda, but we actually have Baby Yoda on the other line. Baby Yoda's called in. Apparently there's something Baby Yoda would like to say to you.
Sup, bitches? I hear you boomers are talking smack. You better check yourself before you wreck yourself. Baby Yoda securing the bag and living the best life. Since the Mandalorian got picked up for a second season, Baby Yoda getting all that bread. Baby Yoda don't know what to do with all his bread. Baby Yoda up to his eyeballs in gold-digging bitches. Yeet, yeet.
What exactly is a yeet? Is that some kind of breed of tauntaun, or is it more like a intergalactic snuffleupagus?
Yeet is yeet. Weird flex, but okay. Maybe Baby Yoda hire old Yoda to keep track of Baby Yoda's stable of gold-digging bitches. Seriously, dude. Yeet, yeet.
Well, that sounds like a job offer. How does that sound to you, old Yoda?
Sound pretty good. But what about benefits? Yoda want to know about benefits. Yoda have sex with bitches he can?
Whoa, easy there, Weinstein.
Who this Harvey Weinstein you speak of? Yoda think maybe he's Puerto Rican guy from Welcome Back, Kotter.
Dude, I don't know what's going on right now.
You really are old. Okay, so coming up next, I'm going to make a beach cruiser. It's very simple. I have a cocktail shaker with ice. It's 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. I have Sailor Jerry's, my all-time favorite spiced rum. I always say one day I will get a Sailor Jerry's tattoo, which is a hula girl. And we got 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And 2 ounces of cranberry. I happen to have white cranberry. I prefer white cranberry, but any cranberry will do. And we're going to give that a shaky shaky. And then I'm just going to put it into one of my Tiki mugs. And that is a beach cruiser. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to show you how to do potato skins better than a sports bar. Coming right up.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
I'm going to do some potato skins. When you get potato skins, like in a sports bar, they're just potato skins. But my potato skins are very meaty. So I got some potatoes out of the garden. I'm going to parboil them. But instead of just doing the skins, I'm going to basically take a third of the potato off. So they're going to be a nice meaty potato skin. So I'm going to parboil them in a little water. And then I'm going to garnish it with, I got cheddar cheese, I got some spring onions, and of course I have some crumbled bacon. So I'll get started on my potato skins. These are potatoes right from the garden. Just going to load them up with some nice cheddar cheese. And then we got the crumbled bacon. And then the green spring onions. These are from the garden as well. So I'm going to put these under the broiler at 450 just until the cheese is all melty. The potatoes are pretty much cooked all the way through. Alright, I think they turned out pretty good. I'm going to serve them with a little bit of sour cream and fresh salsa. And to go with them, I'm going to make a Port-au-Prince. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so Yoda and I, we're going to make a drink to go with our potato skins. We're going to do a Port-au-Prince. It's from the original Don the Beachcombers. He's the guy that started the Tiki bar craze. His original restaurant was in Los Angeles. So this is a Port-au-Prince from Don the Beachcomber. Alright, Yoda, it's okay. Alright, so I'm going to get my cocktail shaker. Okay. We got a ½ ounce of fresh lime. It says a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. And a ¼ ounce of Demerara syrup. It's just a simple syrup that I made with Demerara sugar. And it says a dash of grenadine. I actually have some homemade grenadine. Check out my Nolans episode where I made homemade grenadine for my hurricane. So that's just a dash of grenadine. And it says a ½ ounce of falernum. I have an episode where I make my own falernum. It's basically just rum with like 18 spices and different ingredients in it. All right, I got to go get some Angostura bitters. Yoda, you stay here. All right, so that's a dash of Angostura bitters. And that's a 1 1/2 ounces of rum and coffee liqueur. Alrighty. We'll give it a shaky. I got some ice. And then some maraschino cherries to garnish. It looked a lot greener when I made it out at the cabin with the potato skins. But that's a Port-au-Prince to go with my potato skins. Thanks for your assistance, Yoda. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Old Yoda versus Young Yoda. I'm Chappy, this is Old Yoda, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.